CPO and CJ here, and we're bringing another fidget spinner review to you. If you recall last video, we did a random selection from 3 10 spinners, and we ended up with this guy here. We're going to do that again. We've got 2 remaining spinners, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to have CJ select randomly. There's nothing you can see to tell the difference. The labels are on the bottom, which we're not reading. So let me shuffle them. And pick one for us to review.
Right.
This one here. Okay. All right. So I almost looked at the label. We're going to unbox this and check it out right with you live and real time. Well, not real time because you're watching this on the internet. So it's as live and real time as you're going to get. All right. So ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you. I'm going to show the camera first, and then I'll show you.
Oh, it's his face.
You saw it? Yeah, this is the one you wanted to do, huh?
Uh-huh.
All right, so this is the black space. This is a pretty spinner. There's something way cool about this spinner. I don't want to spin it for the first time. I'm going to let you spin it for the first time, but check it out, and I want to pull up the info on the internet. You spun it like that without me?
You said you're going to let me spin it first.
I said I'd let you check it out. And you could spin it for the first time. Okay, you spun it. So show them.
You're very unspecific.
So here it is. It's the black space. Very smooth, obviously right out of the box. Let me stop it here. It's got the silver buttons, but it's also got these, it looks like metallic weights on the edges. So instead of bearings like a regular tri-spinner, which I don't have around, it's actually weighted. I'm assuming those are separate pieces pressed in. Oh, that's cool. Look at how it, you see that? How you can see the dots, the silver dots? This is really, really smooth. And then watch, I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. You can see the silver dots, especially on my black shirt. Hold on, there we go. That's pretty sick. Can I say sick?
No.
I'm too old to say sick. Wow, this is really nice. And it's smaller than I expected. Sometimes when you look on the internet at pictures, it's hard to get an understanding of size. But you got a regular tri-spinner? What's the wheel? You have the wheel?
Yeah.
You have that one with you, right? So this is the one we reviewed yesterday, and it's actually pretty much the same diameter as the wheel. Ooh, let's do this. Let's spin that way and that way. That is awesome. Anyway, it's about the same size as the wheel. Dude, that's so cool. Go get your regular tri-spinner, and I'll entertain everyone. That's awesome. All right, so anyway, this guy here, let's look at what bearing is in this. I'm guessing an R188. That seems to be the trend. Yep. So there it is, a removable, serviceable, replaceable R188 bearing, just like we've seen in the other WeFidget spinners. So you may be familiar with this standard sort of tri-spinner that CJ has. I want to see how big it is in comparison. This is like the everybody's budget starting spinner. Let's see. It's a little bit smaller, but actually it looks like the weights line up perfectly. So it's basically the same dimensions. It just doesn't have all of the extra plastic. So it's a much more compact design, but with the same sort of weighting and obviously a more premium feel given it's metal instead of plastic. How long do you think this will spin for? How long does this one go for? We're going to do a spin-off on all of these. Once we get through all of the review, we got one more unopened to do. Actually, I've got 2 more. I've got 1 more that's not in a 10 that wasn't fun to play random selection with. And then we'll do a spin-off and see of all these how long they go. Oh, it's going to kill that one. We're going to do a throwdown right now. Let's do it.
This was no match.
Well, I know that. Well,
It defeats the purpose.
to prove that this one's more awesome than that one.
Well, it's got to be more awesome.
Do you think that's a fair battle? Well, let's see what the next one is. Anyway, lots of fun. You're going to see more info on these. Let's get a weight on this. Where's the scale? Go get the scale. We'll weigh this. We'll do a table spin, and then we will do eventually sort of a spin-off where we see which one of these guys is going to go the longest. I think this one's going to beat the wheel. I could be wrong, though. It's very nicely balanced. It actually feels very premium, and I know that seems cliche, but it does have a premium feel to it. All right, let's weigh it. All right, that one is 68 grams. This is a typical sort of budget tri-spinner, 53 grams, so it's actually not much heavier, but much cooler in feel. So this guy is right now on WeFidget.com, $34.95. It's actually on sale. It says 21 hours, 58 minutes remaining, regularly $45. So it looks like they're giving you a $10 discount right now. So I'm going to upload this video quickly so that you can take advantage of the sale. That is cool. I like the silver dots. It's probably not easy to see on camera. Let's do a super slow-mo, like slow it down. See how slow that is? That's so awesome. The actual name of this on the website so that you can find it is WeFidget's Premium Finish, No Wobble, Fully Replaceable Bearing, EDC Hand Spinner. And when you go down and select the color, select black space. Now, they also have gold space, and they have black and gold and red gears, which are similar design, but a little bit different shape. And of course, we'll see later which one we review next. I'm not giving it away, though. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Go check out WeFidget.com. More cool spinners coming. And who knows what the future holds, but eventually a spin-off. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.